This is your last opportunity to buy Ondo if you don't have any, or if you already own some Ondo tokens, this is the best opportunity to accumulate some more, and I will explain why in this video. Guys, since the last time I gave you an update on Ondo, a lot of things have happened which will blow your mind. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And I also want you guys to let me know how you feel about my new hat. I just received it now from the delivery from Amazon. It says Lehman Brothers Risk Management 2008. And that's funny if you know the context. If you don't know anything about Lehman Brothers and you're an investor or trader, I recommend that you go back to the drawing board and study. It's very important to know what Lehman Brothers was all about. Okay, so let's look at the markets now quickly before we jump into the Ondo finance story. Right now, the market is all red. It's not just cryptocurrency that is doing poorly. Also, even if you look at the stock market, this is the markets everywhere right now, and things do not look that interesting. This is the stock market. S&P 500 down by 2%, Nasdaq 3%, Dow Jones 1%. And if you look at individual stocks also right now are pretty much struggling. You can look it up here. US stocks down by 6%, Nvidia, Apple 2%, Alphabet 5%, Meta, and so on and so forth. And yesterday, I actually made a prediction that, look, the markets might dip in the next one. I came on here, gave you guys a warning, and we opened a trade together. And this is how that trade went. If you remember, I deposited $35,000 in this account here. I deposited $30,000, sorry, $30,000, and we opened a trade together, and we made a profit of $5,000 in the last 24 hours in this account. I opened a sub account, which you can also do that for free on Bybit. If you have the main account and you want to separate your trading, let's say one for spot or one for swing trading, the other one for derivatives, I like to make these other types of accounts. So now we made that trade. It went really well. We took profit as predicted, and I will be opening the next trade, and I will share it in my Telegram group, which you can join in the link in the description. And if you remember, I opened that trade. If we go back to the BTC trade here, where is BTC? I opened this trade yesterday based on the 4-hour chart using the nitrous bull indicator. It literally gave us a bearish signal right here, and I decided to go short. Just make this a little smaller. And if you want to get, this is what I use for trading. Right now, I'm looking for the next signal. If this does not translate to the daily, because I think it's an orange color right now, which means that even the daily chart might change. If you want to get the nitrous bull indicator, go to cryptouniversity.network. It's right here. You only pay once, and then after that, you just get signals to trade with. Not only that you get indicators from Crypto University, you also get the courses, especially the Web3 Masterclass, the all-in-one cryptocurrency course that you need. This is the best course on crypto you can get, 255 videos and other course materials as well. I recommend you get it. I put my soul and my life into that course, and also other contributors, definitely other experts came in. So moving forward, that's what the markets look like right now, guys, okay? And if you want to get a Bybit account, by the way, to trade with, they're giving away $500 right now for you to trade with for free. All you need to do, create an account, use my link in the description, and then after that, make a deposit within 7 days. They're giving you $500 welcome bonus. Some good stuff for you guys to take advantage of. So moving forward here on the Ondo story. So before I do the charting for Ondo, I just want to go to Ondo's official page. Did you know that Ondo has now been integrated with the Cosmos ecosystem through Noble? So this is the announcement on July 22nd. Attention, Cosmos builders, USDY, our market leading yield coin, is now live on noble.xyz mainnet, making it accessible to the 90 plus chains in the Cosmos ecosystem. Can you imagine that? Now, the liquidity from Cosmos will now start bleeding into the USDY, which is a product for Ondo. And then here we got Uphold CEO and also the Chief Strategy Officer from Ondo will be doing something together. Very, very bullish. But to me, what's more bullish is this. I don't know if you guys know about this, but USDY is now integrated with the injective protocol, bringing stable, high-quality yield to injective dApps, including decentralized exchanges and money-making platforms. Now, this injective, you guys already know it. It's already a big deal. Injective is huge. A lot of money is already in that protocol. And now USDY has been integrated with it. And there's even more news actually here. If you do a little bit of digging, you will see that these guys are working every day. Okay? So I also want to remind you here that USDY, Ondo's stablecoin, but it actually gives you yield, it is not available to US customers just yet, to the US market, whether institutional or to individuals. What it means, and also obviously here you got President of Ondo here speaking at the Aptos Foundation event because Ondo is already in Aptos already. So the US companies, which are actually the primary customers of the Ondo products, do not possess any USDY. They still use USDC and USDT. Ondo USDY is not available in the US because of regulations. Now, I need you guys to just imagine what is going to happen when the gates are open, because that is obviously the goal, the US market. It's just a regulation takes a little bit of time. They still have to do a lot of paperwork. I can only imagine what will happen to the price of Ondo when they announce that US persons, even individuals and institutions, can now acquire some USDY. I think we'll see more liquidity flowing out of USDT and USDC because they do not generate any yield natively. USDY actually generate yield. So that is a very important point. And then just looking at the chart now of why I think this is the best moment for you to buy. I mean, just look at this chart. Bitcoin recovered from the 50s. It went back to the top 60s. And you can definitely see that Ondo did not bounce back that much. You know, at least we made it back above $1, but now we just receded again right here. So we already broke this level here on this yellow line, you can see. And we could, at high risk, that if the market does not bounce back, there is a potential that we could even get into the red zone. So what do? The red zone is right now at around 77 cents. I think right now is the best time to pick it up because if you observe, you will be able to see that the best areas where Ondo has been bouncing back strongly is at $1, just below $1, like 92 cents to $1, and which is exactly where we are at the moment. If everything fails, worst case scenario, we're now going to get into the red zone here, which is the critical level of support. And what you can do is to just basically prepare by putting buy orders and long positions around this level because it's not going to stay there. It might just be a quick dip, and then it's back to the moon again. So, I mean, I'm buying at these levels, buying more Ondo, but I also have some buy orders below just in case, and especially big long positions around these levels here. Lastly, before I go, I just want to tell you guys also about something that you need to know. A lot of you guys, after I made that video about Apex, the DEX exchange, I explained to you why you should get into on-chain trading. And we're like, oh, how do you actually put funds onto Apex? Does it automatically come from MetaMask? The way you do it is that you click on deposit. And now I have, for example, this amount of money in my wallet on Arbitrum. I just confirm deposit. Then I have to approve this transaction with my MetaMask wallet. And then suddenly I have those funds available for me to trade. I now have capital here to trade. So if I want to trade, I can just now do it because I have funds that are being moved on chain. And I have a tutorial video that I made on Apex. You can look it up, but this is a quick update to just show you exactly how it all works. You know, you can transfer funds, you can fund your account and stuff like that. Very, very important. It just takes maybe 1 minute sometimes for things to update because you're doing everything on chain. Okay, I hope you guys learned something. If you're not bullish about Bitcoin right now, you should be. Obviously, as a trader, we're going to take advantage of the decline in the market, an opportunity to buy, go hard. Not only Bitcoin is failing, it's the entire risk on market. So do not panic, but make sure you make your moves now. I will be announcing my next trade. And also I said in the video that if I make money on that trade that we did yesterday, I'll give 20% to you guys. So I will be giving away that money on the next live stream. So do not miss my next live stream because it will come with, I will give away some money to some of you guys and I hope to see you there. Stay awesome, guys. Like the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and all the other places. I'll see you in the next session. Peace.